Hey everyone, welcome back to IFIX Tech. Today I'm super excited because we are diving into the cosmos with this amazing Joyte star projector. I hope I'm saying it right. I've got the box right here and it's packed with features that I can't wait to explore with you. So let's get started. First things first, we can take a look at the box. As you can see, it promises a galaxy of features from star constellation to planets and even built-in speaker. Wow. Now let's crack this baby open and see what's inside. So on the top of the box you will find the manual. I'm pretty sure that you will find a lot of very useful information here, very cool. And then we find the control. Nice. So there's a lot of function in this one, a lot of buttons, very cool. I'm pretty sure that if you read the manual you will know what's the purpose of each one of these buttons. So here's a USB-C. Now check this out, the LED projection switching dial. This is basically what's going to bring our cosmic dreams to life. Let's take a close-up and you should be able to see basically how those scenes looks like. And here it is, the star of our show, the star projector. Let's remove this cover and get a closer look. It has like an alien ship kind of design. Also, you can see the main buttons on the front. Turning it to the side, you will find this is like a foot stand in case you want to display the image straight to a wall. This is the light diffuser. You can take this off just to enhance the light projection. Here, this dial is where you switch between different LED projections. Also, this is the way where you take this out and you can insert a new projection switching dial to basically bring a whole new set of images. You can find here where to connect the charger, also the signal receiver from the control. You can find different functions on all these buttons that you will find very cool. Alright, let's power this baby up and see the cosmos happen. Wow, just look at that. This projector can cast a beautiful nice sky filled with stars and nebula, clouds, and you can adjust the speed to match your mood. It can be still, slow or fast, creating a dream-like cosmic atmosphere. With 12 constellation and 20 galaxy projection patterns, you can choose from themes like nebula, solar system, planets, and outer space. But what is a cosmic journey without some tunes? This projector comes with a built-in high-quality speaker. It allows you to connect your phone, and also you can connect a USB with the music. It's perfect for setting the mood in your bedroom or turning your space into a mini disco. And the lights from the projector will dance with the rhythm of the music. You can set a timer for 1 or 2 hours, but if you forget, it will automatically turn off after 4 hours. To power up the star projector, you will need a 5V 2A charger, which is not included in the box. Also, the remote control requires 2 AAA batteries that are also not included in the box. And there you have it, that was the Joyte Star Projector. The gadget really brings the cosmos right into your home. If you are interested in creating your own cosmic adventure, you can find a link in the description below where you can get this Star Projector. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this review helpful and subscribe for more exciting product review. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be exploring another fantastic product. Until then, happy stargazing and we'll see you in the next one.